मित्रों नमस्कार। आज के इस सेशन में हम क्लास 10th की मैथमेटिक्स के एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक दैट इज़ चैप्टर नंबर 11 कंस्ट्रक्शन पर चर्चा करेंगे। यहाँ हम उन मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस का कंस्ट्रक्शन आपको सिखाएंगे जो एग्ज़ाम के लिए बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट हैं। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट। Here is the most important question. Draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter from a point 10 centimeter away from its center. Construct the pair of tangents to the circle and measure their length. Give the justification of the construction. तो दोस्तों ये क्वेश्चन आपकी एक्सरसाइज 11.2 का फर्स्ट नंबर क्वेश्चन है और ये क्वेश्चन मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट है और ये बोर्ड एग्जाम में 3 मार्क्स में आपसे पूछ लिया जाता है, कभी कभी 2 मार्क्स में पूछा जाता है। सो हाउ कैन यू कंस्ट्रक्ट दिस, हाउ कैन यू कंस्ट्रक्ट टू टेंजेंट्स from a point given some distance from the center? So let us see. Friends, first of all we will take a ruler such that you can see just now on the screen, and according to the question you will draw a circle with radius 6 centimeter. So again you will take the compass and measure the distance 6 centimeter from the starting. You can take your compass as you see. This compass, okay, and now you will take the distance in this compass exact 6 centimeter. Whenever your pointer of pencil should be very sharp, okay. Now you can see that from 0 to 6 you have to fill this distance in your compass. Now let a point anywhere on the page and draw a circle such that you can see just now this is a circle of radius 6 centimeter. So this is very easy things. Everybody you can draw this type of circle of radius 6 centimeter. After that what to do? Again you will take the ruler and take a point, let us P, 10 centimeter away from the center. So you can see that here is O is the center of this circle, okay, and now you will take or draw a line segment with measurement 10 centimeter. Just you can see, as you see, you will draw a line segment exact measurement of 10 centimeter. So you can see that this is a line segment of 10 centimeter from the center. According to the question you will take a point 10 centimeter away from the center. So this is the line segment which is 10 centimeter away from the center. Now you can mark a point, let us, this point is P, okay. From P, we will draw tangents of a circle. So what is the process? Again, we will take your compass, okay, and take more than half distance ऑफ ओपी। ओपी आप ओपी का आधे से ज़्यादा, तो क्या करना है, यू विल टेक अबाउट फुल डिस्टेंस। आपने इस तरह से फुल डिस्टेंस ले लिया, ओके, और इसको थोड़ा सा कम कर लेंगे। सो दिस डिस्टेंस इज मोर देन हाफ डिस्टेंस, ओके। नाउ प्लेसिंग द पॉइंटर एट पी, you will draw two arc as you see. This distance is more than half distance of OP. इस तरह से हम एक आर्क इस तरह से यहाँ लगाएंगे एंड सेकेंड वन आर्क जस्ट बिलो ऑफ दिस लाइन सेगमेंट OP। OP के नीचे एक दूसरा आर्क हम इस तरह से ड्रॉ करेंगे। यू कैन सी जस्ट नाउ, एंड नाउ अगेन यू विल पुट द पॉइंटर ऑफ कंपास एट O एंड join at O and mark second arc as you see on the previous arc. Just you can see that this is the two arc which are intersect at 2 points as you see. Draw. So dear, this is the process to draw the bisector of the line segment OP or draw perpendicular bisector of this line OP. After that, what to do? Again you will take your ruler and join these point of intersection with the help of ruler very carefully. So dear, what to do? अब हम क्या करेंगे, रूलर के हेल्प से इन दोनों पॉइंट के इंटरसेक्शन को ज्वाइन करेंगे। सो डियर, यू कैन सी दैट दिस इज द परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर at a point. Name the point of this intersection, let us M. You will take this point of intersection, let us M. After that, what to do? इसके बाद क्या करेंगे दोस्तों, again we will take your compass and placing the pointer of compass at this point of intersection and measure the distance either PM or OM. These two distance will be just equal. क्या करेंगे, अब हम या तो OM डिस्टेंस लेंगे या फिर PM डिस्टेंस लेंगे और हम कंपास के पॉइंटर को M पर प्लेस करेंगे। वेयर यू विल प्लेस द पॉइंटर एट M एंड ड्रॉ ए डॉटेड सर्कल। जस्ट यू कैन सी now you can see that you will draw a dotted circle which is passing through to the point P and O. Okay, and this dotted circle, that is the pink circle, intersect the previous circle which you can see in black color. on the 2 points. These 2 points you can mark as, let us, this is the first point with the red dot, and this is the second point, that is the intersection point. Okay, so now you can write the name of this intersection point, A and B. So let this point is A, and the second point you can mark B, otherwise you can take any other points. Okay, now you will take your ruler and join this point of intersection, that is P and A, with the help of ruler. You will join this point of intersection, as you can see, and again there you will join this point of intersection P to next point B. So dear, you can observe that this AB and AP and PB are two tangents. So dear, you can see that AP and BP, these are two tangents, and this is the process. Now you can measure these two tangents with the help of ruler. You can see that BP is exact 8 centimeter, and BP equal to how much, with the exact measurement. Here you can see that AP is 8 centimeter, and similarly you can measure AP and BP. You can see that AP is also exactly 8 centimeter. So you will write here 8 centimeter. So both tangents are equal, and you can write that here AP equal to BP. So dear, this is the construction, that is the most important question. So what is the process? Once again you can see here. First of all, you will take the compass and placing the anywhere this compass in your page, and take distance 6 centimeter in your compass and draw this type of circle, which you can see that. And the second step, again you will take a point P just 10 centimeter away from the center of this circle. Okay, so you can see just now this is 10 centimeter away from the center. Exact measurement is 10 centimeter according to the question. So this is the 10 centimeter distance from P to O. This is the second step. And third one step is you will take more than half distance of OP. So you will take such that either 6 centimeter, either 7 centimeter, either 8 centimeter. Okay, so this will be the more than half distance. Either you can take 9 centimeter, otherwise something. Or so if you take more than 5 centimeters, so it will be considered at more than half distance. Okay, so what to do? At placing the pointer at P, you will draw this type. Just you can see that you will draw first one, top and below of this line segment. Just you can see. After that, placing the pointer at O, again you will draw two arc as you see, which is intersect 2 points as you see. This is the first arc and this is the second arc. So these two arc will be intersect at a point, let this is xy. You can mark these point as x and y. This is x and this is point y. So after that what to do? इसके बाद क्या करना है? You will join these point of intersection with the help of ruler. रूलर के हेल्प से हम क्या करेंगे? इन दोनों इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट को ज्वाइन करेंगे. If you when you join this point of intersection, then OP is intersect by this line, dotted line, that is blue line, by a point. Let us this point M, N, O, either anything. And now again you will take the compass and measure this distance, that is either OM or either PM. Both distance will be equal. दोनों distance ही equal होंगी. And after that, fixing this distance in your compass, you will draw a dotted circle as you see, just like that. इस तरह से आप एक सर्कल ड्रॉ करेंगे. आपने ये डिस्टेंस ले लिया OM, या तो फिर PM, और ये डिस्टेंस लेके आप इस तरह से एक डॉटेड सर्कल ड्रॉ कर लेंगे. जैसे ही ये डॉटेड सर्कल ड्रॉ करेंगे, देन दिस डॉटेड सर्कल इंटरसेक्ट ब्लैक मीन्स इनिशियल सर्कल एट 2 points. Let this point is A and this point is B, and join this BP and AP and then measure these two distance. You will get same measurement, that is here you will get 8 centimeter. So this is the construction. For the justification, you will join A to O. So you will get this position. And now dear, we observe here, this is a semicircle, that is OPA. This is a triangle in a semicircle, and you know a theorem that angle in a semicircle are 90 degree. So dear, you can say that very easily this angle will be 90 डिग्री. ये एंगल आपका 90 डिग्री होगा. और दूसरा आप ये भी जानते हैं, you know another things that radius is always perpendicular to the tangents. तो अगर ये एंगल सेमी सर्कल में है और 90 डिग्री एंगल का कंस्ट्रक्शन यहाँ पे हो रहा है थ्योरम के अकॉर्डिंग, तो आप ये कह सकते हैं कि tangents is always perpendicular to radius, hence AP is a 100% is a tangent of this circle. Since angle in a semicircle is 90 degree, therefore from the construction you can say that angle OAP equal to 90 degree, and hence you can say that radius OA is perpendicular to the tangent. The name of tangent is AP, and this is only when you know that radius is always perpendicular to tangents, hence you can say that AP is a tangent of a circle. And similarly for the second way, you can see that Similarly, OB is perpendicular to BP. So you can see that BP is a tangent of a circle. So this is the justification. आपको जस्टिफिकेशन भी अगर पूछा जाता है कि ये टेंजेंट होगा, इस चीज़ को जस्टिफाई करिए, तो आपको क्या कहना है, आप एक थ्योरम का यूज करेंगे, एंगल इन ए सेमी सर्कल इज 90 डिग्री, देयरफॉर ओ ए पी परपेंडिकुलर टू ए पी एंड ओ बी परपेंडिकुलर टू बी पी. Okay, these two things you will use, and you know that it is condition only when it is a tangent. Radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. केवल रेडियस ही टेंजेंट्स पर परपेंडिकुलर होता है, इसीलिए ये ए पी और बी पी टेंजेंट्स होंगे. So dear, I think that the construction is clear. So thank you so much.